So this was the first time that we took the proof of concept of multiple HoloLenses in a same shared environment and had this running together with a dancer who is immersed in an avatar which is running motion capture done by a dance teacher. Let's try again. Try with your elbow to exit the avatar. Out. Okay, try with your leg. See if you step forward, what happens? When is the border of the avatar? With the leg. With the knee. There, you're out. In, out. Now we make the difficulty level harder by changing the avatar so it's smaller. Previous. You see now the avatar is smaller?
It's not reset.
Do a reset then. Every time you hear such a click means one of your body parts is outside the avatar. The right elbow, the left elbow, the right knee and the left knee, each one have a different sound.
Okay.
Okay, Greek slow-mo. Stop, stop. Okay, because the avatar is scaled much higher, when the dance is doing a step forward, the avatar step is like this.
It's a bigger step?
Yes, and then she's exiting because she's seeing a small step. But the avatar, because of its scale, is doing something like that.
We did something, we implemented altogether something very new. In this particular specific experiment where a user comes and tries to mimic a virtual teacher, it's good not only for a beginner but also for an experienced dancer.
It's a new total experience, even if we're talking about all the VR and AR environment with AR that you see around in Pokemon Go or whatever, it's completely different.
Stop. Stop. Full. We do this again in slow-mo. Uncle calibrated. Ready?
Ready?
Previous. Previous. Stop. נמשיך. Half speed. Slow down. יופי. ובלי הפסקה עושה. יופי, בדיוק. אבל זה בלי עצירה. Start stopping. וזה פעמיים, זה שני סיבובים קוראת. בדיוק. אוקיי, תעשי reset עוד פעם סטופ. No, full.
So it was very different from what I used to. Very strange in the beginning, because in the beginning I just see a character and I don't understand it's me. I move one hand, then I see it moves, but it's very hard to connect, like to understand it's really you. And after a while I got used to it, and it became more one. When you put the video of the dancing with the music and everything, then I need to follow it, to be inside the lines of the avatar. So also I see it, and also it's around me, and I find it very difficult to understand the avatar around me, and easier to see the mirror of the avatar, so that I can really see where he moves and to step with him. When you do it more and more and more and repeat it, so you understand where the moves is going to continue, and then I can learn from it because I already knew, I already saw what he's doing, and I'm repeating it. This could be very useful. I think it could be very useful for people who wants to start dance if they have no background in dance and they want to study something like flamenco, for example. They can see for example, how it looks, and to try to do the same. I mean, just experience it and learn from just experience. It could be very useful for the beginning part, which there it's a lot of to look at the teacher and to try to understand what he's doing and to follow him.
Importing Anchor.
אני עכשיו פותח את האפליקציה.
חכה רגע, חכה.
רק פותח, לא נכנס. עד שאתה...
Requesting Anchor. Importing. אוקיי. תעשי איתחול.
לסגור את המסך הזה?
איזה?
המסך הזה.
איזה מסך לבן יש לך?
יוניט.
יכול להיות שהפעולות שאתה עשתה לבדות גרמו לה לעבוד?
עזרתי, טוב, אני יוצא.
תציג גם
עכשיו ללחוץ על סטארט.
תעשי לו.
תצאי לגמרי מהאפליקציה. יכול לעצור.
תצאי לגמרי, בעצמך.